Well, as you can see, it's snowing, so let's do a garage video. Hey guys, D-Cycle here. Welcome back to another video. I am coming to you from the garage on a very snowy January Saturday. I thought I'd go ahead and push out a video today because there's a few things about the channel I wanted to update you on and a few things I wanted to talk about. For a lot of you that have been watching the channel for a while now, you know that I do charity fundraising. Occasionally, I'll print up a batch of shirts and the money that I raise from that goes to local charities. And over researching and looking at other charities in my area, I have finally chosen the next charity for the next batch of shirts I'm gonna do. And this charity is based out of Hillsboro, Illinois, which isn't too far from my hometown. And this charity is called the Autism Support Connection, TASC. What this charity does is it's a support group. You can come if you are in a family that is in some way affected by autism. They have free childcare if you have to bring your child or loved one with you. And what they do is they plan out events, they take donations, and they use that money to fund events and other fun things for the autism community in the area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking pre-orders for these shirts, and this is what they're gonna look like. Price of these shirts will be $15. If you want it shipped to you, it'll be an additional $5. So $20 shipped if I have to ship it anywhere in the continental USA. So if you want to get one of these new shirts, hit me up in the comments below and we'll figure out a pre-order strategy somehow. So while I'm here, I wanted to go ahead and give a big shout out to GetPhantom.com. GetPhantom.com sent me out these really neat Gerilla lenses, and here's what they look like. Now these lenses look great. The only drawback about them is that they don't fit my Sport Glide. They fit traditional Harley-Davidsons with the little incandescent bulbs in the back, but the LEDs that came stock in my bike don't allow for these to clip into the housing very well. So they will fit traditional Harley-Davidson turn signals. They just don't fit mine because my LED light, as you can see right here, doesn't allow for the room for the lens to clip into the housing. So my buddy Roger has a 2015 Fat Bub. I went ahead and gave these lenses to him because GetPhantom.com said, go ahead and keep them and give them to somebody else or a subscriber. So I gave them to my buddy Roger. He put them in his bike, and here's what it looks like. These things look amazing. I wish they would have fit my bike, but unfortunately they don't, but that's okay. And if you would like to grab a pair of these lenses, go to GetPhantom.com, put in the promo code D-Cycle, and you'll save 15% off your order. All right, so as far as updates for the bike, I'm still waiting for my sissy bar to come in. It's still on order. They had to order it from another dealership because I guess the Harley-Davidson warehouse was completely out of them. But Ted's tracked down another one at another dealership not too far away, and it's being sent to them, and I should have it probably Monday, Tuesday. The docking hardware I have for the bike is just sitting there waiting for me, but I just figured I'd go and pick up both together. I'll do an install video maybe next weekend, that way I got a video up for the following Wednesday. So I'm pretty excited about that. And as far as a backrest for the sissy bar, I'm gonna explore the aftermarket a little bit. I still got a lot of time where I'm not gonna be riding, so I have some time to look at my options. All right, so while I'm here, I wanted to thank the following moto vloggers for trading stickers with me. That's Momma, the artist formerly known as Diggin' the Hound, 2 Kiwi Riders, and MotorcycleDen. Thank you guys very much for sending me stickers. And speaking of mail, we've got some more to open. Now, I checked the P.O. box this morning when I was able to get out in the snow, and this is from Roll Tide 530. So let's open this. There's a letter here, and it says, D-Cycle, thanks for offering to trade stickers, brother. Be safe and roll tide. Scott H. Roll Tide 530. Looks just like him. I like it, man. And he sent me also a cool little spam card. And a 3-pack of stickers, man. These look great. So without further ado, let's add you to the locker, buddy. Nice. If you're a motovlogger and you want to trade stickers with me, my P.O. box is right here. And you can also find it in the description below. Well guys, that's all I got for today's video. Y'all stay safe, ride safe if you're riding, if you're not dealing with this snow. Take it sleazy, and I'll see you in the next video. That's a snowplow.